friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Tech Guru. Today I am going to give introduction about Python. Python is invented by Guido Van Rossum in late 1980s. So Python is nowadays much popular because it has a huge standard library and it is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. It contains high level built in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development. So Python has a increased productivity that there is no compilation step in Python, and edit, test, debug cycle is very fast. So that's why Python become more popular. And Python has a good software quality and developer productivity, program portability, and supports many libraries. Uses of Python. So many companies are using Python like YouTube, Google, Yahoo, Honeywell, etc. So that's why Python nowadays has a more popular programming language. And NASA, Netflix also using this Python. So what are the IDEs used in data science for Python? The best Python IDEs for data science that make data analysis and machine learning easier, that are Spider and Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Rodeo, and Atom. These 5 are the IDEs we use for data science, and machine learning, data analysis and all can be done using these 5 IDEs. So all corporate companies were using these IDEs only. So for learning purpose, ideally is very good. So if you want to work in a MNC, you have to learn how to install Jupyter, Spider, PyCharm, Rodeo or Atom. So many companies are using PyCharm. So next we will see how to install PyCharm and how to use it. So going to the Python class. So today I am going to discuss about variables in Python. So what is a variable? A variable is a name that refers to a value and a memory location. Means variable is a memory location where the value got stored. So what is a variable means? It is a memory location where the value will be get stored. And any variable, it is used as an identifier. An identifier is just the name of the variable. So Python have some rules in naming variables. So Python variable name rules are: so the letters, we can use letters and numbers, underscore. So Python variables must begin with small a to small z alphabets, or capital A to capital Z, or underscore. The same way numbers characters or underscore. So Python is case sensitive. Python variables are must not be the reserved keyword. So no reserved keywords used for Python variables, and the variable name should be written in camel case. What is camel case? Camel case is nothing but joining two words for better readability. Example: iPhone, FedEx, eBay, etc. This is called camel case. For better readability, we use this type of camel case, and we have literals also in Python. So literals, what are literals? Literal is nothing but we cannot, it will having a fixed value, that is called a literal. So it is a fixed value, and Python contains 5 literals, that is string literals, numeric literals, boolean literals. Special literals are none in Python, but null means in Python is non-existing or not known or empty. So Python having literals, literal is nothing but a fixed value. So Python having string literals, numeric literals, and boolean literals, and special literals are none, and it has list, means not list, literal collection. In literal collections we have tuples, lists, sets, and dictionaries. So these are the literal types, and we use some constants in Python. Constant is nothing but a fixed value. At the time of runtime also the value will not be changed. So that is called constant. It will be a character constant or a numeric constant or letters or strings, that are called constants. So now we are going to start Python Ide. Click on start menu, type Ide in search bar. It will means if it is already installed, it will show you the Ide on top of it. Select and click enter. Then it will take you to Python console. Here you can directly type Python commands. For example, I am assigning a value 100 to the x and reading the value of x using print function. So now I got a value of x, that is 100. Now I am giving a floating number to y. Now I am printing the value of y, that is 100.03. So I gave an integer number and also a floating number. So any type of either integer or float it will take. So no need of mentioning data types because Python is a dynamically typed language. So we can give complex numbers also. For that you have to mention a complex keyword for mentioning a complex number. So for example 1, 2. 1 is a real integer and 2 is imaginary. That's why I gave 1, 2. So now you check the value what it will show. So see now one it